introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Sophia Amber Bokyo. I'm gonna turn grade 4 sa pasukan. You know, school. And I'm 8 years old. I'm turning 9 on October 31, Halloween.
Me is Nicole Caitlin G. Bokyo. I'm turning 8 because my birthday is in 1 month. So I'm turning grade 3 on this day. Actually, she's my bestie.
Cousin bestie.
I love my best friend. You love my best friend. She's so pretty. I love my best friend. Actually, she borrowed. What is that cellphone? Why there's so many TikTok?
No?
Why kanina may dalawang TikTok?
No, there's just
1, 2.
Bakit? Because this is the pag gusto niya to. I have Roblox.
Aray ko.
Look, my mom's cellphone. I have Roblox.
Actually, I don't play Roblox Quick because I don't know my account in there.
Yes.
Di ba may account doon?
My name on Roblox is Malarina675.
6'7"!
Or 672. Wait, let me check.
6'7"!
Let me check first, guys.
Actually, she's so pretty.
Thank you, Kate. My name is Malarina675.
Maloy.
Malarina.
Malapit.
Trolls cannot break this.
Wait. I kinda be happy now because my mom is in China. So I decided to not cry anymore.
Because I make her happy. I love my best friend. I love my
Wait.
best friend. What?
I have something to say when in the first day. When I go upstairs, I saw her. She packed her things in the luggage. I was so worried that I wish she cannot continue it in the next year. So when she go outside and find a jeep in there, I was so crying. I so worried.
So I comfort her because she's sad. So I said, "Don't be sad, Kate. I'm here with you." Because I add her on the TikTok, and I said something to her that is, "You're my bestie. I love you. Don't worry. I'm here for you. Don't cry."
Wait a minute. I see some. Wait, I'm thinking something. What? Wait. Maybe your kuya is a awesome character. Patay. Boy. Ayun ko, hawakan baka ulit.